In this essential Telegram tutorial, we are going to learn how to install the Telegram app on mobile, whether you have an Android device or an iPhone. We will show you the exact steps to download Telegram from the App Store, set up your account, and start messaging in minutes. If you are looking for a messaging app that is fast, secure, and lets you send huge files, Telegram is one of the best choices out there. You might have heard your friends talking about it or wanted to join a specific channel, but you're not quite sure how to get started. I'm your host, and in this complete guide, we are going to walk through the entire installation process. We will cover how to find the official app on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store to ensure you are downloading the safe version. We will also go through the initial setup, including the phone number verification process, which is the key to activating your account. By the end of this video, you will have the app installed and be ready to chat with your contacts. To get started, you simply need your smartphone. It does not matter if it is an older model or the newest release, as Telegram works on almost all devices. You will also need a stable internet connection to download the app. Most importantly, you need a working phone number that can receive SMS text messages. Telegram uses this number as your identity and will send you a code to verify that you are the real owner of the account. Let's get the app installed. If you are using an iPhone, open the blue App Store icon on your home screen. Tap the Search tab in the bottom right corner and type Telegram. Look for Telegram Messenger and tap the Get button. You might need to confirm with your Face ID or password. Once it downloads, tap Open. If you are using an Android phone, the process is very similar. Tap on the icon for the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Telegram and look for the app with the blue paper airplane logo. Tap the green Install button. The phone will download and install it automatically. Once it finishes, tap Open. Now that the app is open, you will see a welcome screen. Tap the button that says Start Messaging. Telegram will ask for your country and your phone number. Enter your mobile number carefully and double-check it to make sure it is correct. Tap the arrow or Continue button. It will also ask for your email address. I will log in with Apple as it is easier. It is possible to reach this message. For Telegram to verify your data, it will need to send a message. It is possible to ask you to support this verification. This is a one-time fee, and it will apply only when you create the account. I will tap Sign Up and continue the prompts. After the payment is done, an SMS will be sent to your phone. You will now receive a text message with a 5-digit verification code. Enter that code into the app. Sometimes Telegram might try to call you instead. If that happens, just answer and listen for the code or wait for the timer to run out to request an SMS. Once you enter the code, you will be asked to enter your first name and add a profile picture. Tap Continue and you are officially inside Telegram. When you first open the app, it will ask for permission to access your contacts. I highly recommend allowing this. It will instantly look through your address book and show you which of your friends are already on Telegram so you can start chatting with them right away without having to ask for their usernames. Also, consider setting up a username in the settings menu later. This allows people to find you and send you messages without you having to share your personal phone number, which is a great feature for privacy. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We have learned how to install the Telegram app on mobile for both major platforms. We walked through downloading the app from the store, verifying your phone number, and setting up your basic profile. Now you are connected to one of the most powerful messaging networks in the world. I truly hope this Telegram installation guide helps you get started. If it was helpful, please give this video a like. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more app tutorials and smartphone tips, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, are you joining Telegram for group chats with friends, or are you interested in following news channels? I'm curious to know how you plan to use it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.